The Brainstorm Starter Project is a simple and fun way to bring brainstorming into the 21st century. Instead of brainstorming using a physical whiteboard that will eventually get erased, or sticky notes that will get tossed out, students brainstorm virtually within the Project Pals interactive workspace, which is updated in real time. Students can add their own text, images, and videos to brainstorm ideas collectively, and add detail and form connections. All of the student work is immediately saved for reuse, no erasing or throwing away. The Brainstorm template is designed to support collaborative brainstorming across all subjects and topics. After cloning the template, teachers and students can modify the template to their needs. For example, view the 2 projects related to the Brainstorm template in the catalog. Both are Brainstorm lesson plans that guide students in brainstorming about a specific topic, how to eat healthier, and how to improve your school community. The Project Pals credentialed curricula team created the Healthy Eating and School Improvement Brainstorm lesson plans by cloning the template and modifying the instructions, titles, and images to reflect the topic. View the Healthy Eating Model Project, also available in the catalog, to view an example of a completed student brainstorm. When your students brainstorm in Project Pals, it may look like this model project. Ready to start brainstorming? Watch a brief tutorial video to clone and assign this project to your class.